now, we do have some very quiet weather around here, but that will likely soon change. And we've been talking about the potential for some more active weather as we head into next week, and that seems more and more likely. But the question is, where exactly does it all happen and what exactly does happen? And I don't have the answers just yet. And if you're seeing the answers on social media, there's not a real answer there. But we have a quiet rest of the week here with cloudy skies for most of the next several days. We may see a little sunshine today and tomorrow, but mostly just dry and cool and quiet. We are going to have the storm system coming through somewhere in the Midwest next week, but there's lots of uncertainty surrounding what exactly happens. Right now, we have some clouds out there, so that's prevented any frost from forming. Temperatures are up a bit compared to yesterday, hanging out closer to 30 in that freezing mark because of the clouds. As we head through the day, we may get some clearing to happen and some sunshine, which would be certainly welcome. We will be in the low to mid 30s for highs, and then as we get into tonight, we'll have mostly clear skies and drop down into the teens, so it will be colder tomorrow morning. We have a little cold front that's coming through that could bring a few maybe little sprinkles or some flurries around to the area as we head into this afternoon and evening. That's what's also going to help clear the skies and lead to the colder night tonight. Could have some frost tomorrow morning as well. And then tomorrow we are going to have sunshine, some clouds passing by, but more clouds start to build in as we head into Friday and the weekend as some storm systems pass us by to the south. One system's going to move on by, and we're going to be watching a stronger one developing as we head into early next week. And what's going on here is there's cold air in place and a storm system developing down to our south. That would put us in the zone where snow would be most likely. However, there's a lot of uncertainty with how strong this storm is, where exactly does it go, and what exactly does it do. And that is completely normal at this point in the game because we're looking at something that could be impactful Monday night into Tuesday. And we're still in this kind of 6 to 7 day time frame where there's a lot of uncertainty in how exactly things go. And here's one model that is showing the low pressure system close to eastern Iowa and puts us in a zone where there would be some heavy snowfall as well as strong winds. There's another model at the exact same time that's further down to the south and east with the low pressure system. This would put us in a less impactful area in terms of snowfall and winds and would mean a very different ball game in terms of how the storm system goes. There could be one of these solutions that are the truth. There could be something in between. There could be something completely different. And we still have to sort that out. And this is the literal numbers that I'm looking at, not a forecast. The models that are showing me that there's 13.5 inches on one for Cedar Rapids and another that has 0.7 of an inch. That is two totally different solutions that we have to figure out where the truth is in between. So we still have some time to do that, and there's no reason to panic about it. Just take the time to prepare and continue to watch. We're going to have some quiet weather for the next several days as we watch the storm system that could start to impact the area Monday night into Tuesday.